Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have another headband unit from Zury Hollywood. It is in the style AO and I have her in the color number 1B. So here's how she looks on the stock card model, which she looks absolutely gorgeous. Here's how she looks. So she does have a very soft yaki texture, and then she's silky as well. Mostly silky, but she does have a hint of yaki. This cap is stretchable and it is breathable and it is average head friendly, so it'll fit large and small heads. And here is the Velcro like velour headband. And then it does come with 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back. This one does not have adjustable straps. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the unit, and I'm just gathering the hair so that it doesn't keep getting caught on the Velcro. I feel like that's the only thing that I hate about headband wigs, is that the hair can get caught on the Velcro. However, you know, it works out. So here's how she looks directly onto my head, and then I'm going to give you guys a 360 of the unit, and then of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that this hair does not tangle. It does a little bit of shedding, but there is no tangling. But okay, yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and finish out my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay divas, so we have Miss Io here, or Ayo. And I have it in the color number 1B today. As you guys can see, it is a bob. I have no cons with this unit, so we're not going to discuss any cons because there isn't any in my opinion. So as you guys can see, she is a very like sleek straight bob, and she has a little bit of body because she does kind of like slant a little bit the way that she's cut. So yeah, I really like it, and I love the slight bump that it has to where it's not like too much. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the pros, because that's all there is for me today in my personal opinion. So I really love the hair texture and the cap construction on these units. It's just so freaking nice. I really love their headband because it really gives you like that wig grip effect, and I just really love that. So you don't have to use the combs. Me myself personally, like if I wear a wig with combs too long, or probably not even that long, like a couple hours, and I will begin to get a headache. So I really love the fact that this headband that it comes with actually has like that secure hold. Now as far as the texture is really nice, and that is something that I noticed from the first one that I reviewed. I did review the other 2 that they came out with as well, which was Eula and Hulu. So if you guys want to check those out, I will definitely leave those in the description box below as well. But they all have like this really beautiful human hair soft feel, and I really do love it. And it also has a human hair look as well. This one seems like it is a very light yaki, but it is silky, but it's on like you can like feel and see the little bit of yaki that's in there. My light is probably making it look more silky, but there's definitely a little bit of hint of yaki in there, and the hair quality is just like amazing on this. Like I want all of my synthetic wigs to come with this hair quality, okay, because it is amazing. I don't even believe that this is human hair or synthetic hair, but I'm gonna take Zury's word for it, because y'all, like I've said this in every video, like I just wish you can touch the hair so you can see how soft it is. It's just amazing. So overall, this is really like, this is a really nice unit. And another thing that I really love about it is the price point. The price point is very affordable. This unit is under $30, and I just think that that is very nice. And I did want to include that it may be under $30 without a color, but maybe if you add a color, or depending on which site you get it from, it may add on a couple of dollars, but it's still overall very affordable. And yeah, I really like it. I want to know if this has, yeah, so this one definitely has some color options as well. I believe the same color options that the other ones have. But I just wanted to go for something, you know, safe, especially because this looks very everyday-esque, and I really do like it. This hair quality is really nice, you guys. Like I am not Like, it's no joke. Like, I really thought this was human hair because I was like, wait a minute. Overall, I really do love it. The quality of the construction as a whole is absolutely amazing. I feel like Zury has really came out with and formulated the best headband wigs on the market right now, and I mean that on the full spectrum of human hair and synthetic hair headband wigs. Okay, like, they have the best one, and you definitely want to place this in your wig arsenal, especially if you are a person that loves bobs or you're looking for something on the everyday type of wear. We are still at home and everything, so I definitely think that this will be a good wig, especially if you want to if you have to go to the grocery store or you have to just go pick up your groceries because you're doing curbside. I definitely feel like this will be like the perfect wig to just throw on and go. But yeah, divas, I do like it overall. If you guys are interested in this unit, I definitely will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.